sahlan wa marhaban bikum. Yes, it's me, Idris Kamish, once again, and we're back today with the program Enjoy Arabic, Book 1. Right, we're still busy with lesson 3, and we're coming back to the initial instructions, which says look and read. Of course, the first word is Ondur. There you can see Ondur, and what does it mean? Look. Ondur means look. And the second instruction there is Iqra. Iqra. And as we probably know by now, Iqra means read. Very good. But now we want to look at the different patterns of these two instructions. Firstly, the word Ondur has what we call the uf'ol pattern. Uf'ol. So what we use in Arabic is we replace all the letters by the fa, ain, and lam. Right? So fa, ain, lam, and in front we put here the u. So that's uf'ol. So in this case, the pattern would be if'al. If'al. Iqra. If'al. Which means that is the pattern, and the fa, the ain, and the lam will be replaced by other letters. Type. I hope you understand. So let's look at a few more words with the uf'ul pattern. And here we have uktub. Can you see? The same pattern. Uktub means write. Uktub means write. Let's have another one. Udrus. Udrus. Same pattern. Ondur. Uktub. Udrus. Right, if we look closer at the pattern, we see it starts with the Hamza with Dhamma. And then comes, that precedes the first radical, which in this case is the Fa. Second one is the Ain. And the third one is Lam. So those are the initial radicals or root letters. Fa, Ain, Lam, but it's preceded by the U in this case. So you will see in all cases it will be preceded by U in this pattern. The second letter will always have the sukoon, and then another U sound, another dhamma, and finally another sukoon. Another sukoon. So Ondur, Uktub, Udrus. Udrus, of course, means study. Udrus, we said dars is lesson. So we can say Udrus ad-dars, study the lesson. Or we can say Uktub ad-dars, write the lesson. And then finally here we have Ursum. Ursum means draw. Draw something or illustrate something. Ursum. So we can say Ursum al-harf, draw the letter, or Ursum al-surah, draw the picture or illustration, and so on. Let's have a closer look at the second pattern, the if'al pattern. As we said, the first word, the iqra. Another word of this pattern would be ifham. Ifham. Ifham means understand, right? Understand. So it's an instruction or a suggestion, understand this. Ifham. And then we also have ishrab. Ishrab. Ishrab, of course, means drink. ishrab. Halib is milk. So if you want to say drink the milk, you will say ishrab al-halib. Ishrab al-halib. And of course, the last one here is il'ab. Il'ab means play. Il'ab, play. So once again, the pattern here is if'al. All the words will start with the I, followed by a sukoon on the first radical or the first root letter, and then a ah sound. So all of these words will start with I, 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 I. The second or the first root letter will have sukoon, 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 etc. Then we will have a sound, a fatha, iqra, ifham, ishrab, il'ab. And again, the instruction normally ends with a sukoon on the last letter. The instruction, order, command normally ends with a sukoon on the last letter. Not always, but that is the norm. That is the usual. Unless another rule comes in and that will change. Or the pattern of the word, type of word that could change it. But the norm is it will end with a sukoon in this form of the command. Right. So I hope that's clear. So just one or two more things about the command, because I want to use this session specifically just for you to get an understanding of how instructions are used in Arabic. So again, we said some have the uf'ul pattern, undur, uktub, udrus, ursum, right? But remember, if anything precedes the verb, if I say and look, then the u will fall away. Then it becomes wandur. If I say and write, read and write, then I will first say iqra, waktub, waktub. So the u will fall away. You see, this is Hamza, and it is called Hamzatul Wasl, which means you will read, you will ignore that I or U sound if anything precedes that letter, that Hamza. So again, with and study, wadrus. Andro, warsum. Warsum. Right? The same will happen with these. So whether it's with the U or with the I, if anything precedes it, such as a wa or thumma, meaning then, if I say then read, then it will be thumma qra. Thumma means then, thumma qra, thumma qra. Then understand, thumma fham, thumma fham. Right? First eat, then drink. كل الطعام واشرب or ثم اشرب. ثم اشرب الماء والحليب. And first do your homework. افعل واجبك. ثم العب. ثم العب خارج البيت. Right? افعل واجبك أولا. ثم العب خارج البيت. Then go play outside the house. I hope that is clear. So now we will quickly revise the words so that we can see if we can remember the meanings and translate them for future use, inshallah. So first of all, undur means look, and ikra means read. We said there are two patterns, the uful and the if'al pattern. We don't translate the patterns, so don't worry about that. And then we have the next word, uktub, means right. Then we have udrus, which means study. And finally we have ursum on the side, ursum, which is draw or illustrate, sketch, draw, ursum. On the ikra side, if'al pattern, we said ikra means read, ifham means understand, ishrab means drink, and then finally il'ab means play. So I hope you have a better understanding of the use of instructions. And then finally, all I can say is all of these are used for males only. As soon as we use them for females or for a group, then there will be more changes, but that we will explain again, inshallah. Shukran. Wassalam.